The next person, let me pick up another person. I see a new name that says Karabi Sharma. So, no, but she's not raised the hand. So I'll pick up somebody who's raised the hand. Azima, did I give you the turn? I think I'll need the help of the person who knows them. Pooja, if you are there or if somebody is there who knows the people, please unmute it the way you want because I don't know them. It'll be not good if I select them because I don't know them. So anybody from Envy Shoppe here who is managing this with me as of now, who can help me selecting the participants who want to talk? In the meantime, let me unmute Nalini. Nalini, you can just unmute yourself and speak on. Is Nalini there? She's raised her hand.
Hello.
Yeah.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
And good evening, all of you, my friends. I'm Nalini from Odisha. And the topic is very nice. I like to say, especially on the topic that historical place is keeping a great value, especially in the history and even the in presence of a country. It represents the cultural, economical, and the financial structure of a country, of a state. So, hello.
Yeah, I'm with you. I'm really enjoying
Okay.
your Bengali accent. I'm just, getting to going to Orissa. I'm about to come to your place, Orissa, and Bengal is
Okay.
very close. So I'm getting that Bengali tone in your voice, and I'm enjoying that.
Uh,
Go on.
I'm also Bengali, ma'am. That's
I'm
sorry.
Bengali. I'm Bengali नहीं हमें Bengal थे But anyways, चलो we'll talk in Bengali later. Other
Ma'am.
participants will
So
get bored of it.
yeah, ma'am. Yeah, and there are so many historical places in our country, but I like to drag your attention towards my state, Odisha.
Okay.
And you guys must heard about the Konark temple. And
Okay.
I like to say some lines on that particular historical place. It is um,
Yeah.
very popular and very nice and valuable place in the country, not only for the Odisha but for the India. And it is a very sorry, it is a very common name in the historical place history in the uh, Indian history. And
Okay.
this temple was sorry, ma'am.
Yeah.
This temple was built by Langula Narsingha Deva, and it is maybe in 13th century, 13th to 14th century.
So you have
Just
opened your
I
Google account. You have opened searched for it as of now when you are in the
no
session.
no ma'am. It
Oh,
is
you
very
remember all this 13th century on that. You remember it. That's nice.
it
That's
is
very appreciating.
it is not exactly. It is
Yeah,
two.
roundabout. Roundabout.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Hmm.
And I can't say the accurate all these things, but I know from the history, and
Yeah.
I want to say some lines on that
Okay.
only, ma'am.
Okay.
And there are 12,000 masons and the labor were doing to build the Konark. And the the guy who was very popular for this historical place is sorry, some Maharana. Sorry.
It's
Uh,
okay. It's okay. But a good try.
so,
Chalo. It's a good try.
yes,
It was very clear and it was really a good try. Okay.
ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah. Tell me.
May I say more, or I can
No, you
stop
can
here?
stop because 2 minute time, no? So I have kept a timer.
Yeah,
Stop.
ma'am.
That's
Ma'am.
nice.
Thank you.
That's nice. It
Okay.
was good. Okay. Now I'll pick up. Let me see who's the next person. I don't know the other person. Mamta. I see Mamta here. I need to unmute. Yes, Mamta, please speak. There are still 7 hands up, people. Mamta, if you are there, please unmute yourself and speak.
हाँ यस मैम।
Speak.
मैम वो थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूज किया, दिखाई नहीं दे रहा था मैम हमको।
हाँ, अभी दिख रहा है आपको? स्क्रीन दिख रही है?
नहीं मैम, वो तो सिर्फ नहीं किया, हिस्टोरिकल प्लेस ऐसे ही दिखा रहा है।
हाँ, हिस्टोरिकल प्लेस ही है स्क्रीन में, और कुछ भी नहीं है स्क्रीन में। इट इज ओनली अबाउट हिस्टोरिकल प्लेस। बोलिए।
मैम वो थोड़ा सा नहीं, स्पीक के लिए थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम कर रही है, तो घबराहट हो रही है बोलने के लिए, हम कुछ बोल नहीं पा रहे हैं। तो कॉन्फिडेंस यानी कैसे करें, यानी बोलने की कोशिश कैसे करेंगे?
आप शुरू
कुछ
करिए, फिर आई कैन जज। आप अपना टॉपिक शुरू करिए, फिर मैं आपको बता पाऊंगी कि आप कितना कॉन्फिडेंटली बोल रहे हो कि कितना नहीं बोल रहे हो। यू स्टार्ट द टॉपिक, एटलीस्ट स्टार्ट।
अम, हिंदी में बोले तो चलेगा मैम?
आप
इंग्लिश में टॉकिंग
इंग्लिश में ट्राई करिए, इंग्लिश में ट्राई करिए, फिर जो अगर नहीं बोल पा रहे हो तो हिंदी में बोल दीजिएगा। जैसे हमने इंट्रोडक्शन तो दिया ही है। स्टार्ट इन इंग्लिश, देन सी इफ यू कैन पुश। अगर नहीं कर सकते हो तो हिंदी में बोलिएगा, बट शुरू इंग्लिश में करिए।
आई एम ममता साव एट पोस्ट बनी डिस्ट्रिक्ट, बट यानी मेरा कहने का मतलब है कि यानी मैं एकदम से इंग्लिश नहीं बोल पा रही हूँ, तो ये यानी इंग्लिश में ट्रांसफर कैसे करेंगे?
ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं। सुनिए, आप ना जस्ट लॉट ऑफ बहुत सारा मिरर एक्टिविटी करिए। लॉट ऑफ आपने रिकॉर्डिंग कितनी करी है? आप मेरे सेशन में कितने दिनों से हो, बताइए।
मैम अभी कुछ 5-6 टॉपिक किए हैं।
5 नहीं, मतलब आप मेरे साथ डे 1 से हो। आज हमारे सेशन का 12th डे है। लाइक अगर आप डे 1 से हमारे सेशन में हो, कब से हो? डे 1 से यू हैव ज्वाइंड और यू हैव ज्वाइंड इन बिटवीन?
नहीं, डे वन से तो एक ये किए थे मैम। डे
हम्म।
अभी जो सितंबर में चालू हुआ था, तो कभी
ओके,
गैप गिरा है बीच बीच
ठीक,
में।
कोई नहीं, कोई नहीं। एनीवेज, देखिए, सुनिए एवरीबॉडी, अब ये मैसेज सबके लिए है। प्लीज आप अपना खुद का आवाज रिकॉर्ड करिए। आई हैव बीन टेलिंग यू दिस। अगर आप रिकॉर्ड नहीं करोगे तो आप नहीं पिक कर पाओगे। ओके? खाली टेंसेस या खाली अभी सेशन अटेंड करने से यू विल नॉट learn speaking English. Okay? So what you have to
यस
do
मैम।
is all of you will have to try. Okay, let me pick up somebody else. I can see Tabassum. Unmute yourself and speak.
Hello, good evening
Yeah.
everyone. Myself Tabassum Solkar. I'm from Raigad.
Okay.
My topic is Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is a historical monument located in India, Agra. It is constructed on the bank of the Yamuna River and includes an area of about 17 hectares. It is one of the 7 wonders of the world. Shah Jahan, a Mughal emperor, built the Taj Mahal in memory of his wife Mumtaz Mahal, and it is a symbol of love. We all know about this.
Very nice. Yeah, carry on. Then I think some issues. She got disconnected and but she was going good. She was very nicely saying. Okay. Now I'll take Azima. Azima, if you are there, I'm coming back. Azima, please unmute and talk quickly.
Hello, good evening, ma'am. Good evening, everyone. Hello.
Yeah. Good evening. Please carry on.
Uh, Today I'm going to talk about Charminar. Uh, Charminar was built by Qutub Shah, Quli Qutub Shah, Muhammad Quli Qutub Shah, and it, the word Charminar was taken from Char and Minar, and it is very famous in Hyderabad. It is very famous in Hyderabad. It has very
See, that is why ना आपको learn नहीं करना है. Okay, everyone, you don't have to learn. It is just, it should go in a flow. Okay, it's okay. Fair enough, Azima. Nice. You have a good grip over English, but आपके पास information नहीं है चार मीनार की, इसीलिए आप रुक रहे हो. Right? So you should just have a bullet. You should have bullet content ready with you next time whenever you come for the speech. Everyone. Okay, bullet paper पे लिख के आपको bullets लाना है. In front of you, keep it so that you can then frame sentences. Sentence framing तो हमने यहाँ पे सीखी है. So then frame sentences. So in between, I'm giving you tips and tricks also. What to do, what not to do when you're talking a 2-minute talk. Okay. Okay, I would now want... there are still some people who's not got... Akash. Yes, Akash, unmute yourself and talk. And then we'll come back to Sridevi and then we will pause. After Akash, I'll take only one more person. Then we'll go to the next session. Akash, are you there? Please unmute and talk. People those who
Hello.
not... speak.